Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Uno game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uno game on your device, and once it is fully loaded and opened up, you might need to log into your account using your Facebook or Google Play if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you will be taken to the main menu, from which if you wish to change your username, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You will then be taken to your profile menu where you can choose your avatar if you wish to do so, and alongside your avatar, you will also find your username. Go ahead and tap on your current username and you will be allowed to make your desired change. Then simply type in your desired username and tap on the OK button. Then tap on confirm, and if the username is available and not taken by anyone else, your username will directly be changed, and you can come back to this menu as many times as you wish in order to change your username by tapping on the edit icon. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Uno game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.